hi guys. This is our video and we're going to be making slime today. Subscribe our channel and have fun. So first we're going to do some of this and put some in here. When I put upside down, it's not pouring.
It's pretty thick.
So we're going to have to throw on 2 hose, I think. Pour it in. Okay, now that we got that in, we're going to do second.
Yep, that one.
Mom, how we're going to do some baking soda. Hi guys! Here's my brother named Griffin. He's here today with us. I wanted to do some green.
Yeah, we can maybe let Griffin do it in his bowl.
We already put it.
Oh, you already did.
Okay, and now we're gonna put some glitter and then we're gonna mix it up.
And the
So-
water too.
Oh, right. We forgot that we need water too. So we're gonna pour water in. Right. And then we're gonna mix it up with some glitter. But first we need to put glitter in. Yeah. So we're gonna choose our item that we're gonna use for our slime. And I'm going to use 1 green snowflake. And I'm going to take 1 to brush this to me. And then I'm going to take something else. And I'm going to take 1 moon. And to do that, so when I put this up to you, it might have not seen. And I'm going to put 1 star. And he's going to put something else too. You could do 1 big star or something else. Lots of choices. He done 1 red big star. And I'm going to do a googly eye. I'm going to put it in. Like that. Sorry. He's going to do some swirly thing and then some dark things. And I'm going to have some half circles. One half. And then Griffin put some more things, which are some more. And I'm going to put 1 green leaf. And now we're going to keep on going, putting our things in. I'm going to put this water fine. In this one. Ooh. And I'm going to put on my hand. Mom, on my hand. And now we're almost done with our thing. I want to do this. Put that in there. do these small things. Now we're done putting all our things in. Now we just need a mix. Except Griffin's gonna put one more thing in there. And now we are gonna mix our slime up. To make real slime. I don't know, it might take a little bit, but we're going. And mix fast. Mom, look, us are mixing now.
Nice. Good job.
It's turned into slime. Hey, look.
Yay. It's working.
Yeah, and our things are gonna be perfect things that we're making. Look, it's turning into slime. We need to mix a little bit more because yours is a little bit too water. Actually, ours is like the same right now. Ours is not really turning into slime anymore, but we're gonna see at the end. Mom, it wasn't really slimy at first, but now it's like liquid. Just a second. We're gonna have a Monty help. You see it? Sometimes it does that, but sometimes it's like it's slimy.
No.
Wow, we need a little bit more of these. No, we don't need some more. It's
I don't
just
think it's more glue or
maybe just a little.
let's try.
Just a second. We'll have just a second for more glue because we need something more. Not something too. We need more something. Okay, just hold on 1 second. We're gonna be ready. Okay.
Let's see if that made it any better or
Now, we're gonna keep mixing now. Because yeah, it works. Keep mixing. It's turning into real slime. So this is going to turn in perfect.
Ooh, it's still kind of runny.
Just a second, our mom's helping us.
I don't know. I don't have enough. I don't know if I have enough glue to keep adding.
So we're gonna have one cup. I think that's enough.
I wish we would have added water. That's what the recipe said to do, but I don't know.
Maybe we should add more water.
I think there's too much water. Maybe more of this will help. I don't know. We'll just see
Turn
what
it into slime now.
Okay.
What's hanging your eye? Look at one good. Oh. You just need to keep mixing more because I mixed way more than you. Our thing is turning into slime now. Now we should mix with our hands. I'm going to mix with my hand and you keep mixing with your spoon. If you want, you can mix with your hand, but I'm mixing with my hand. Whoa! Look at this slime, everybody. We made our best slime that we could make. And everybody subscribe this channel and have fun. Like we said in the beginning of the video.
Just let me know if you want me to turn it off or not.
And our mom helped us today a little. And she is in the back of the room right now. She's fixing something in a drawing, like in a painting. But we're here doing this while she's doing that. Because that was my thing and she is having fun with it. So she's doing that and then we're doing this. today. Ooh, mine is turning into slime, but really sticky onto my hands. Can't come off. I will.
But
Hard to
what?
even.
Mine. Feel mine.
Okay. Well, we have to keep mixing so then it'll get easier. And mine's getting much unstickier now. Less stickier because I keep mixing. And this is probably going to take a while. And it's almost the end. When it is, we'll say bye. And we'll say all the things. Have fun. This is getting much better now. And Griffin's slime is still a little sticky, but mine's getting better, and he's going to have to do it more.
Oh, we get this sticky off.
Don't worry.
Looks like you need more activator. That helps it with, where is that?
Look how good my slime is.
Okay, this,
Look how good my slime is.
oh, that does look good. Wow. Do you want me to help get it off your hands?
It's not getting too sticky anymore because I keep doing it more and more.
Oh, there we go. Mhm. That's actually not too bad. Nope, now it's stuck on me. There's the slime to get off.
My slime now. Because look, Mom.
Yeah,
sticky.
nice. It worked.
Mine is slime now. You can totally see how good my slime turned out. Now we just have to help my brother Griffin. He's here today too, to explore and have fun.
And today I worked out my slime.
And his is still sticky, but we're going to help today. Because we all just have to mix more to make it better and to help it fix.
You see how all my slime is?
You see. And we're going to help Griffin. Okay, your slime is good too. Here you go. Does it feel not too sticky anymore?
Yeah.
Okay, have fun and subscribe.